Hello everyone, welcome back to today class. In previous classes, some exercise and example problems. In exercise 3.2, some problems we discussed. In today class also, we'll continue with the exercise and example problems of exercise 3.2. So now you can see here, exercise 3.2, problem number 9, find the x and y. In previous class also we discussed x and y, but capital X and capital Y. That is nothing but matrices we find in that previous classes. Now small x and small y, that means elements. Elements we have to find, not matrices. By using this equation, we have to find the x and y values, not matrices. Previous class matrices we did. So how to solve this problem? You see, very simple problems is all just scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication means each and every element multiply with 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 0 0, 2 into x is 2x plus y 0 1 2, nothing is there here, equal to 5 6 1 8. So now addition of two matrices. How will do addition of two matrices? Corresponding elements addition. 2 plus y, 6 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 2x plus 2. That is equal to 5 6 1 8. Equal, two matrices equal means corresponding elements equal. Corresponding elements, you observe here, 6 plus 1 0, 6 is there, 1 plus 0 1 is there. So just a comparison on both sides are corresponding elements. 2 plus y is equal to how much? 5, and 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. So now simplify this one. Y is equal to 5 minus 2. Y is equal to how much you'll get? 3. Next, similar way, x side also we have to simplify. 2x is equal to 8 minus 2. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 and y also 3. So this is a way of finding the elements, x and y element. Similar way, one example problem. This is example 10 is there. Find the x and y from the following equation. To same scalar multiplication we have to do, addition and comparison. So this try yourself, homework this is. Next, problem number 10 in exercise 3.2. Solve the equation. Same xy we did in previous problem. Now x, y, z and t values we have to find by using this equation. So now, very simple problem. Multiply 2 for total. 2x plus 2x, 2z, 2y, 2t plus 3 multiply 3 minus 3, 0, 6 is equal to, here multiply 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18. So now we have to make the simplification for this one. 2x addition how we will do? Corresponding elements addition. 2x plus 3, 2z plus of minus 3. Plus of minus 3 is nothing but minus, we can write directly. Just I am writing here. 2y plus 0. Next 2t plus 6 is equal to 9, 15, 12, 18 as it is. So now equal means corresponding elements equal. 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. Next 2z minus 3, I am writing this one. Plus into minus we will get minus 3 is equal to 15. Next 2y plus 0 is 2y equal to 12. Next 2t plus 6 is equal to 18. 2t plus 6 is equal to 18. Next we have to make the simplification for this one. 2x is equal to 9 minus 3 is 6. X is equal to 3 you will get. Next 2z is equal to, that side if you send plus you will get 15 plus 3 is 18, z is equal to 9 you will get. Next here direct cancellation, 2 1 are 2 6 ja, y is equal to 6. Next 2t is equal to 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 is 12. 2t is equal to 12. T is equal to 6. T is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6. Z is equal to 9. X is equal to 3. Next, problem number 11 in exercise. If x into 2 3 matrix plus y into 1 matrix equal to 10 5 matrix is there, find the values of x and y. Same method we have to simplify. X multiply inside first. X is not a matrix here, it is a scalar, like a scalar. So multiply total 2x 3y plus minus y multiply equal to 10 5. So now we have to make the simplification. Addition 2x plus y, 2x plus this value, minus is there, so minus I am writing direct, plus into minus minus. Next 3x plus y is equal to 10 5. 10 5. Equal means corresponding elements are equal. 2x minus y equal to 10. 3x plus y is equal to 5. Two equations we got here. These two equations I am taking as a 1 and 2. I will take here minus y and plus y is there. Just 1 plus 2 I will make. 1 plus 2. Solve the equations in any different way. Which way is easy, that way you can follow. Lot of different ways is there. So I am using this way here. 2x minus y is equal to 10. 3x plus y is equal to 5. Addition. No changing of signs. Just minus plus is there, cancel. 2x plus 3x, 5x equal to 15. X is equal to 3. Substitute in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1 or 2. I'll substitute in equation 1. 1 implies 2 into 3 minus y is equal to 10. This value is 6. Minus y is equal to 10. Change the positions of these two. 6 minus 10 is equal to y. Y is equal to minus 4. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to minus 4 is the answer. Next, problem number 12. Similar problem, x, y, z and w extra. W value also we have to find. 4 values, 4 elements we have to find here by using the given equation. So very simple solution. Just multiply inside 3x, 3y, 3z, 3w is equal to addition. Addition of two matrices, how will do? First element 6 plus x plus y. Next minus 1 plus z plus w. 2w plus 3. So just addition I did. Here multiplication, scalar multiplication. Next corresponding elements equal, so 3x is equal to x plus 4. 1. Next 3y is equal to 6 plus x plus y. Another equation. Next 3z is equal to minus 1 plus z plus w. Another equation. And last one 3w is equal to 2w plus 3. So now we have to make the simplification. If you send left side x value, you will get 3x minus x is equal to 4, 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So now 3y, this y send left side, minus y is equal to 6 plus x value is 2. X value is here 2. Already we got that, I am substituting here. So now simplify. 2y is equal to 8. Y is equal to how much you will get? 4. y is equal to 4. You observe here, z and w is there, w also there. So first I'll find the w simplification. So just you send this side, what you'll get? 3w minus 2w equal to 3. W is equal to 3. So this value also substitute in that equation. Z value send left side, 3z minus z minus 1 plus w is 3. W is 3. So now make the simplification. 2z is equal to 2, z is equal to 1. So 2, 4, 1, 3 is the x, y, z and w values. Next, problem number 13, important for 3 marks question. If f of x is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns is there. Show that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y we have to show. For that purpose, first already f of x is there, no problem. I'll find f of y. F of y I'll find. What is the f of y? X place y we have to substitute. Very simple. Cos y minus sin y 0. Sin y cos y 0. 0, 0, 1. So this is what? F of y. Similar way, right side what is there? F of x plus y is there. That also substitute. X plus what we have to substitute? X plus y we have to substitute. So cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0. Sin of x plus y. Next, cos of x plus y 0. 0, 0, 1. So this is what? F of x plus y. So now left side, LHS side simplification I'll make. LHS is f of x into f of y. F of x into f of y. What is f of x? Cos x minus sin x 0 and next one here sin x cos x 0, 0, 1. Similar way here cos y minus sin y 0. Next sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. So just substitution did. Multiplication. Multiplication how we'll do? Row by column. Two matrices multiplication. That means row by column matrix we have to multiply. So now cos x into cos y. Cos x cos y plus minus sin x is there. So I am writing here minus sin x into sin y. So row by column method. Next 0 plus 0. 0 only. Next what we have to write? Cos x into minus sin y. Minus cos x sin y. Next one. Here also minus will get sin x cos y. 0 next one. Next value 0, 0 and 0. So total will be 0. Third one will be 0. Next here sin x into cos y. Sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Cos x into sin y plus 0. 0 into 0, 0. Here also plus 0 we can write. Next, for second row, second column. Minus is there, minus first writing. Sin x sin y plus cos x cos y plus 0. Next 0, 0, 0. Total will be 0. Third column. Second row, third column elements 0. Next 0 multiple 0 multiple 0. Total will be 0. 0 multiple 0 multiple and here also 0 multiple. Total will be 0. 0, 0 plus 1. So 1 you will get. So now I'll use here formulae. Which formula I'll use here? I'll use the cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, cos of x plus y formula. This is. If you take negative common, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, sin of x plus y formula. These all trigonometric formulas we are using here. So now this formula also sin of x plus y. Next here, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, cos of x plus y, 0, 0, 0, 1. You observe this is nothing but, we already know this value, that is f of x plus y. This is RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So hence proved the answer. Here multiplication proper we have to make. Very very important. Row by column method will use for the matrix multiplication. Next, problem number 14 in exercise. Two problems is there. One problem I'll explain here. Show that. Second problem I'll explain. This is a 3 by 3 matrix, and first problem 2 by 2 matrix is there. After that we'll discuss. So first is show that LHS part separately I'll make here. RHS part separately I'll make. After that, both equal or not we have to check. Not equal we have to show. Compulsory not equal only will get. So LHS here. This is a LHS part. Multiplication. How to do the multiplication? Row by column method will use. So row by column. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Direct writing here. Concentrate and see. Plus 2 into 0 is 0. Plus 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Next, 1 into 1. First row, second column. 1 into 1. So leave the space. 1 into 1, 1. Plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Plus into minus, minus you will get. Next, plus 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Otherwise, write here also if you have any confusion, plus 2 minus 2 in bracket. Next, 1 into 0 is 0 plus 2 plus 12. Next, 0 into minus 1 0. 1 into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 2 is 0. Row by column. Next, 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus 0 into 3 is 0. Next one, 0 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 4 is 0. Next, 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 2 is 0. Next, 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus 0 into 3 is 0. Next value, 1 into 0 is 0 plus 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 into 4 is 0. So now we have to make the simplification for this one. What will get? 5 here. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Here 14. Next 0 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Plus into minus minus. 1 minus 1 is 0. Here 1. This is the left side. Left side we got. Next, RHS side. RHS side, row by column multiply. This row and this column first. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 plus 1 into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 1 is 0. First row, first column completed. First row, second column you see. First row, second column, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 1 into 1 is plus 1. 0 into 1 is 0. Next, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 0 is 0. So row by column. Next, 0 into 1, 0 plus minus 1 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Next 0 into 2, 0, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 1 into 1, 1. Next 0 into 3, 0, plus minus 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 0 is 0. Next last third row first column, 2 into 1, 2, plus 3 into 0, 0, plus 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 1 is 3, 4 into 4 is 4 into 1 is 4. Next last one, 3 2 ja 6, plus 0, plus 0. Final simplification, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3, 1, 0, 0, 6, 7 plus 4, 11, final 6. Both are equal? Not equal. Therefore, LHS not equal to RHS. LHS not equal to RHS. You observe here, very important one here, commutative law not necessary here. Why? Because you observe, this is A, this is B. AB equal to one value. You observe this one reverse is there, BA. This is AB means this is a BA. Both are not equal. AB not equal to BA. Compulsory not there. Not commutativity. So based upon this one, we can tell multiplication of matrices not commutativity law holds. So now same to same, 2 by 2 matrix is there. You have to simplify. You have to try this one same way. Next, example 13. This is example 13. A matrix is there, B matrix is there. Find out AB. Find out AB. Find out BA. First, AB multiplication make one value you will get. Next, BA multiplication you will make one matrix you will get. Both are not equal also we have to show. Here extra thing what same thing actually. Here directly they given AB, BA. Here you have to find the AB. You have to find the BA. Then AB is not equal to BA also we have to show. Try yourself this also. Next, example 17. This is important for 5 marks question. If capital A is a 3 by 3 matrix, capital B is 3 by 3 matrix, C is 3 by 1 matrix, 3 rows, 1 column matrix. Calculate AC, calculate BC, and A plus B into C also we have to find. Also verify that. This is later we'll see. First AC, BC will find here. So what is the AC? AC is equal to 067 minus 608, 7 minus 80. C matrix is 2 minus 2 and 3. 2 minus 2 and 3. You observe here. First we have to verify multiplication purpose. Number of columns in second matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. First matrix columns equal to second matrix rows. And result 3 by 1 matrix you will get. Result is 3 by 1 matrix. So now row by column method. This is row, this is column. 0 into 2 is 0 plus 6 into minus 2. 6 into minus 2 is minus 12 plus 7 into 3 is 21. So first row, first column completed, more columns not there, so stop it there only. Next, second row, first column, minus 6 into 2, minus 12 plus 0 into minus 2 is 0, 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24. Next, 7 2s are 14 plus minus into minus, 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16 plus 0. So AC is 3 by 1 matrix you will get. AC is compulsory 3 rows 1 column matrix you will get. If you subtract this one, how much you will get? 9 you will get. Next one, 24 minus 12, 12. 16 plus 14 is 30. So this is AC matrix. Next, BC. BC. What is the B matrix here? B matrix we have to write 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2. Next, 1, 2, 0. C matrix is 2, minus 2 and 3. So now make the simplification for this one. Same method. 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 1 matrix. 3 rows, 3 columns, 3 rows is there. So multiplication exists. Result is 3 by 1 matrix you will get. So make the simplification for this one. 0 into 2 is 0 plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 1 into 3 is 3. First row, first column completed. Next, second row, first column. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 0 into minus 2 is 0. 2 3s are 6. Next, 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 2s are 4 minus 4, that is negative is there, minus 4 plus 0. So what is BC matrix you will get? 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 plus 6 is 8. Next, 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. So this is the BC matrix. This is BC matrix. After this, these two completed, A plus B into C we have to find. So first I will find the A plus B. A plus B. Direct I am writing, you observe 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Next, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Next, minus 6 plus 1, minus 6 plus 1, minus 5. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2. It is 10. Just corresponding elements addition, not multiplication. This is a addition. Addition means corresponding elements addition. Next, 7 plus 1 is 8. Minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6. Next, 0 plus 0 is 0. So this is the A plus B matrix. But what we need? A plus B into C. A plus B into C. 0, 7, 8, minus 5, 0, 10, 8 minus 6, 0 into C. C what is there? 2 minus 2 and 3. So now multiply. Same 3 by 3 and 3 by 1 matrix. Columns is equal to rows. This is 3 by 1. So result 3 by 1 matrix you will get. 0 into 2 is 0. 7 into minus 2 is minus 14 plus 24. Plus 24. Next, minus 5 into 2 is minus 10 plus 0 plus 30. Next, 8 2s are 16 plus 6 2s are 12 plus 0. So what you will get? 24 minus 14 is 10. 30 minus 10 is 20. Here 28. 3 by 1 matrix. This is A plus B into C. This is only LHS. Verify also asking. So LHS part completed here only. Next RHS part purpose. RHS AC plus BC. AC plus BC. What is AC here? Already we done 9, 12, 30 plus 1, 8 minus 2. Addition. 9 plus 1 is 10. 12 plus 8 is 20. 30 plus half minus 2. 30 minus 2 is 28. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. You observe, both are equal. Final answer, A plus B into C is equal to AB plus BC. AC plus BC. This is only distributive law. Distributive law verification also we done here. By this problem, today class completed. In next class, we'll continue with some more important 5 marks questions in next class. Thank you.